day in the seduction. Sore eyes got me aiming for the function. 4 or 5 slip lanes and option. It's got me tripping over heels. In my mind I was risking it to feel. Protecting what is right has got me missing what was real. It's like a never-ending fight against my instincts in the field. And then emotions are revealed. Proceeding to provoke the inner potions that I sealed. Feeding up the roaches that live closely in my fields. Just sweeping up the souls and seeing oceans isn't real.
Hey! Oh, get on here! Shit! That means you're reloading.
Ostracized, so tell me what's the cost to buy this feeling to belong with mine. Demons never strong as me, angels finding following procedures just to honor me. Feeding my astrology, feel that's what it costs to be part of this economy. The stars looking down on me, so many answers in the darkness I have found to be. Trying to bastardize the system to be down for me. I never asked you ever listen to your boundaries. Yourself to blame, regretting what you couldn't bear. Ain't got nothing else to say, keep riding out here in the fair. Divided into little squares, so I double down. The bright lights summon up. I spread love around and dive right under. I'm from the upper ground, collide like thunder. Cry tears of rain in the nights when I wonder.
Doing well, boys. Stay in cover. Move cover, move cover, move cover. Don't forget to peek.
Red up the Jurassic Park crap.
Woohoo! Well done, boys! Well done, both teams! Gun hit. Mags out, mags safe, don't forget your pistols!